Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Mechanics Bank step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including your salary, bonuses, and any side hustles. Next, list all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are the same each month, while variable costs may fluctuate. Now, calculate your total monthly income. Then, total your monthly expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your disposable income. If your expenses exceed your income, identify areas where you can cut back. Use the Mechanics Bank online budgeting tool to help visualize your budget. Set realistic spending limits for each expense category. Track all your transactions regularly to ensure you stay within your limits. Adjust your budget monthly based on any changes in income or expenses. Create a savings plan for short-term and long-term goals. Allocate a portion of your disposable income towards savings each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account with Mechanics Bank. Review your budget every few months to make necessary adjustments. Stay disciplined and committed to following your budget for long-term financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.